Hi, I'm Sue Hanley. Hey, have you been watching that new show on Netflix, Tidying Up with Marie Kondo? Well, watching the show for me is like watching paint dry, but I am a huge fan of her organizational approaches. In fact, you should see my t-shirt drawer. And I guess it makes sense that I'm a fan because I'm a business analyst and information architect, and I like organizing things too, but my focus is intranets. I'm going to be doing an all-day workshop at SharePoint Fest, talking about how to organize your intranet to get great value for your business users. We'll talk about planning navigation, all of overall site architecture. We'll talk about organizing information on pages and best practices for page architecture. And we'll also talk about metadata and how you can leverage metadata to drive value in not just the browse experience, but also search. So I'm really looking forward to spending the day with you at SharePoint Fest. I hope you'll join me and see you there.